Hi guys, I am Sandeep. I give the complete information about 3D printing technology in this video. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel Doddamani Creations. If you like this video, like and share. Let's start the video. First to know about 3D printing. 3D printing is also called as additive manufacturing. It is the main definition of the 3D printing is it is a method of creating a three-dimensional object layer by layer using a computer created design. Then 3D printing is an additive process whereby layer of material are built up to create a 3D part. Inventor of 3D printing. Who is the inventor of 3D printing is the main point. Chuck Hall his name. He invented the 3D printing in 1983 because he wanted to revolutionize the way we could produce whole objectives. In 1983, when 3D printing became established, all never envisaged is becoming so popular. He is also so popular when 3D printing released. The main types of 3D printing are divided into 7 types. The first one is material extraction, second one is wet polymerization, third one is powder bed fusion, fourth one is material jetting, fifth one is binder jetting, sixth one is directed energy deposition, seventh one is sheet lamination. The first one, material extraction. Material extrusion is exactly what is sound like material being extruded through a nozzle. It is come from nozzle. Typically, the material is the plastic filament pushed through a heated nozzle that near melts it in the process. The printer deposits the material on a built platform along a path determined by the built preparation software. The filament then cools and solidifies to form a solid object. This is the most common form of 3D printing. Main part of the 3D printing. Subtypes of material extrusion. Materials: plastics, metals, foods, concrete. Dimensional accuracy is plus or minus 0.5%. Lower limit is plus or minus 0.5 mm. Common applications are prototypes, electrical housing, form and fit testing, jigs and fixtures, investment and casting patterns, housing. Strength: lower cost 3D printing method, a wide range of material. Weakness: often lower material properties, strength, durability, etc. Wet polymerization. Wet polymerization, also called resin 3D printing, is family of 3D printing process that uses a light sources of selectively cure or photopolymer resin in a vat. Powder bed fusion. Powder bed fusion is a 3D printing process where a thermal energy source selectively metals powder particles, plastic, metal or ceramic, inside in a build of a create a solid object layer of the material jetting. Material jetting is a 3D printing process where tiny droplets of material are deposited and then solidified or cured on a build plate using photopolymers or wax droplets that cure when exposed to light. Objects are built up one layer at a time. And next one is binder jetting. Binder jetting is a 3D printing process where a liquid bonding agent selectively binds regions of a layer of powder. Next one is directed energy deposition, DED, is a 3D printing process where metal material is fed and fused by powerful energy at the same time that is deposited. Last one is sheet lamination. It is a technically a form of 3D printing, although it differs dramatically from the technologies above. Let's know about why is the 3D printing is useful. 3D printing allows for the design and print of more complex designs than traditional manufacturing processes. More traditional processes have design restrictions which no longer apply with the use of 3D printing. 3D printing, it is the uses of. There are many advantages of 3D printing in that flexible design, rapid prototyping, print on demand, strong and lightweight parts, cost effective. There are many drawbacks also in this 3D printing: limited materials, restricted build size, post processing, large volumes, reduction in manufacturing jobs, design inaccuracies. 3D printing is not used as wood, cloth, and paper. Cannot be 3D printing using these processes for print. In 3D printing, the most usable material is polylactic acid, more commonly known as PLA, is the most widely used 3D filament. The main aim of the 3D printing is increasing flexibility in the production flow and helps reducing industrial expenses. The most strongest filament in a 3D printing is polycarbonate. Delivers high tensile strength along with the high impact and heat resistance. It is widely seen as one of the strongest 3D printing filaments. Why most trending in 3D printing is 3D printing will be more sustainable using materials that are not petrochemical in nature for the reason. Process of manufacturing 3D printing. Some methods melt or soften the material to produce the layers. For example, selective laser melting (SLM) or direct metal laser sintering (DMLS), selective laser sintering (SLS), fused deposition modeling (FDM), or fused filament fabrication (FFF). While other archived liquid materials use different sophisticated technologies such as strenolithography (SLA) with laminated objective manufacturing (LOM). It is the main process of the 3D printing.
Thank you for watching my channel, Doddamani Creations, and subscribe my channel.